Hello everyone, today's video is about cleaning the lens on the inside of Fujifilm FinePix HS20EXR. So I bought this camera secondhand. I just wanted to, have a nice and solid camera so I can take photos around, and then I noticed there is a little bit of a speck of dust inside. So let's see if we can clean that as best as we can. So first, we're gonna need to remove this part in here. Oh yeah, we can see it here. It's quite dirty. So this part is let's say it okay. All right, so there's some kind of adhesive. Unfortunately, I will need to throw this one away because it's full of fine dust, and I don't want to use this one. I don't know actually where to buy something like that. So if you guys know, please let me know in the comments below, or maybe give me a link. I'll be more than happy to purchase something like that. Okay, so let's pick. This one is not right. Okay, so we found the right size bit. So let's remove those screws. Okay, so 3 screws removed. This protective cap. So here again, we have 3 another screws that we need to remove. And I think that should be okay. So this is the first time I'm doing something like that. So if any of you guys know the better, better solution or any technique better than this one, please let me know. I would like to learn that. So I just need to make sure that I don't mix those screws together. I think this is glued or something like that. That's how it looks like, but how to clean it then? Alright, so finally I managed to break this seal. This is some kind of, I don't know, glued with plastic or something like that. Okay, so it's really also important that we remember how it goes. And here we have 3 small springs. It's really important not to lose those things. So I'm just gonna grab it here. They come on this this side, so let's move it for now, and then let's try to clean this one. So I'm not gonna fuss around too much. So this looks nice and clean. Not really. The speckles of dust, they don't want to move. Okay. All right. So we need to now to put everything back on. Also this lens, we also need to make sure that we clean this part. So for this lens, maybe it will be a good idea just to use something like that. So let's use the wipes for cleaning the lens. Now we have a dry one that we need to wipe the excess. Not happy with this cleaning wipes. Let's take this alcohol wipes and see what we can do. So this is a isopropyl alcohol wipes. They're really great to cleaning the lens. They don't smudge or anything like that, so okay, so this one seems to be nice and clean. So let's clean this one on the front. I would definitely recommend that you wear gloves, something like that, because every time when you touch something with your fingers, it will leave the grease. It doesn't matter how clean your hands are, you know, your fingers are, but it will always stain. Unfortunately, I don't have a blower or anything like that that I can blow this dust away. I don't know what is that on the inside, but this is really, really greasy. Okay, so I managed to clean it now really, really well. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to put everything back. So this is the tricky part. So we have three, I don't know how well you can see it. Nope. Okay, actually it's like a three small springs. So they need to go on this area where we're not putting screws. I think the big screws are coming in those. Okay. Okay, so this should be back just like this. Brilliant. Whew, I'm so glad that I didn't lose those. You're not going to tighten it all the way through, not yet. Also, we need to be really careful. This is all plastic, so if we tighten that really hard, there is a chance that screw won't hold anymore. Okay, so we can now tighten just a little bit. It's not very good. Okay, I don't want to tighten too hard, too much. Beautiful lens, looks really nice and clean, which I'm really happy. So I'm gonna reuse this isopropyl, this alcohol wipe, just to clean this part. This is all quite dirty. Okay, so it goes like that. Just find the right holes. I'm gonna line them up. Okay. Then we can put the screws back on. And basically, this is how you clean the lens. You know, from the inside. I don't know how this thing get in, or how the previous owner, you know, kept this camera, but like I said, I don't mind. It doesn't take long, so 10 to 15 minutes of your time, and basically everything is nice and ready. So just to make sure that you don't tighten the screws too much. Voila, and that's it. I will apply the adhesive tape, return this part back in after we apply the adhesive tape, and that's it. Thank you very much. I hope this video was useful, and yeah, maybe in the future, if you own this camera, if you have the same problem as me, now you know how to do it. Thank you. Cheers.